Cleaning suede Jordan 4 cause. Use a fabric lint shaver on the insole. Clean with a foam spray or your choice of cleaner. Clean the sole using drill attachment scrubbing brushes. Wipe with a microfiber towel. Remove any extra dirt with tweezers. Clean the suede upper with a soft brush attachment. Remember not to use water on suede. Use a suede brush. This particular one has brass bristles. X-Acto knife touch-ups. Brush again to make sure it's clean and then spray with a waterproofing spray and use a heat gun to let it dry. Just like butter. It's now time to apply the suede dye. Prep the suede with a suede brush and then apply the suede dye. Apply very light coats as the suede dye can bleed onto areas you don't want. Apply a sole sauce or hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Cover with plastic wrap and then put in the sun or under UV lights. You may need to repeat this step a few times until your soles are icy. Here is the before and here is the after. Comment if these are a win or a fail. What do you guys think? Sneakos Official.